Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing clips, and the timeline so split screen works predictably. Set timeline resolution and frame rate to match your footage. This prevents scaling artifacts later. Import media and place each shot on its own track, then trim in and out points so content aligns. Once done, enable snapping and ripple as needed so clips meet precisely. This first step saves time because consistent settings mean transforms behave the same across clips, making the split layout much faster to build. Now you create the visible split. Select a clip and open the inspector to adjust zoom and position X/Y. These controls let you place each shot in its pane. For clean edges, use crop or add a simple rectangle mask in Fusion when you need feathered borders. If you want consistent sizing across clips, copy attributes or use an adjustment clip with a transform node. Make sure to check the left and right edges and use guides so panes align perfectly. Otherwise, your seam will look off. Finish by polishing and testing the split screen before export. Grade each pane to match exposure and color. You can copy grades or use scopes to maintain consistency. Enable render cache and export a short test at full resolution to confirm seams and motion are clean. If you see jitter or mismatched edges, check clip scaling, pixel aspect ratio, and field order. Reapply transform at source if needed. Finally, export the full timeline with your chosen codec and review for any compression artifacts near.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.